Hello, my name is Stephen Bonus, and I am a member of Group 4, and today we will be taking you on a hazard field trip, or one might even say a journey, around the world to discuss and explore the natural hazards that planet Earth has to offer. So let's strap on our seatbelts as we begin our trip around the world. Today we will be visiting 3 locations, some near and some far. The 3 locations will be our fellow neighboring city of Los Angeles to discuss earthquakes, next will be Atlanta, Georgia to discuss precipitation and rainfall, and finally, we will go to Monrovia, Liberia to discuss the hazards of flooding. So let's go. For our first stop, well, it's not too far from where we are located. We will be heading to Los Angeles, a city known for its art and rich culture. A diverse melting pot for different ethnic groups from different walks of life. However, we will all share one thing in common. We all live under the constant reminder that our city can be hit by an earthquake at any time. Not only Los Angeles, but almost every city in California located near the San Andreas Fault. The San Andreas Fault stretches roughly 800 miles, about 1,300 kilometers through California. It forms a boundary between the 2 tectonic plates, the Pacific and North American, moving in a slipping motion horizontally. This is similar to throwing a rock in a pond, creating ripples of water to the surrounding areas. As far as preventing an earthquake, it is nearly impossible. An earthquake can strike at any given time. However, there are some instances in which signs of an earthquake can be detected. For example, an earthquake warning was issued for California due to the detection of 200 small tremors along the Salton Sea, a sign of a huge earthquake that might soon hit California. Completely predicting an earthquake is difficult to do, so Los Angeles and the state of California have created standard drills to teach people how to protect themselves in the event of an earthquake. Next stop, we will be heading to Atlanta, Georgia. Make sure to dress with warm clothes and an umbrella because it will be raining, snowing, or hailing, or maybe even all 3 at once. Atlanta is a city located in Georgia and is home to the Atlanta Braves, and was originally named Terminus and Marthasville after Governor Lumpkin's daughter. Located in the southeast region of the U.S., Atlanta finds itself ill-prepared for precipitation hazards, which include snow, hail, and rain. Atlanta receives about 1,000 to 1,500 millimeters each year. Unfortunately, preventing rainfall cannot be done due to it being a natural process in the world. Problems that persist due to precipitation are people being snowed in, road accidents, and occasional flooding. And for our final stop, we will be stopping at Monrovia, Liberia. I hope you still have your warm clothes because there are a lot of floods occurring over there. But it's okay, we will be safe during our trip. Monrovia is the capital city of Liberia and was founded in 1822, after President Monroe decided to relocate freed slaves. Liberia is prone to flash floods due to the persistent onslaughts of flash rainfalls. From Monrovia, the subtropical high-pressure belt zone from the south blows southwest trade winds, which are cold winds, to the region. These cold winds colliding with the high temperatures of the equator causes torrential rainfall, which leads to flooding. Liberians are constantly having to deal with flood damages and loss of lives. Located on the southern end of the basin, Monrovia, the capital, is located at the end of the drainage of most of the rainfall that occurs along the region. Fortunately, all we can do is anticipate flood paths and do the best we can in preparing for flash floods by knowing where high ground is, instituting evacuation plans, and also to stock food and supplies for disasters. Thank you very much for your time, and I hope you learned a lot today. Thank you.